Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel. Today, we're diving into a topic that's not only delicious but also incredibly nutritious: pinto beans. These little legumes have been a staple in diets around the world for centuries, and for good reason. Today, we're going to explore the 5 health benefits of pinto beans in detail. So, let's jump right in. Benefit number 1. Benefit number 1, packed with protein. Pinto beans are a fantastic source of plant-based protein. Now, I know what you might be thinking. Can beans really compete with meat in the protein department? Well, the answer is a resounding yes. Pinto beans are rich in amino acids, the building blocks of protein. They are particularly high in lysine, an essential amino acid that can be scarce in some plant-based diets. Amino acids, building blocks of protein. Adding pinto beans to your meals is a great way to ensure you're getting a complete protein source. And the best part? No need to worry about the saturated fats that often come with animal proteins. Pinto beans offer a lean, mean protein punch without the guilt. Benefit number 2. Now, let's move on to benefit number 2, fiber powerhouse. Pinto beans are loaded with dietary fiber, and that's excellent news for your digestive system. Fiber is like a broom for your intestines, helping to keep things moving smoothly. It aids in preventing constipation and promotes a healthy digestive tract. Fiber, the digestive broom. But that's not all. The fiber in pinto beans also plays a crucial role in regulating blood sugar levels. It slows down the absorption of glucose, preventing those dreaded spikes and crashes. This makes pinto beans an excellent choice for individuals managing diabetes or those looking to maintain steady energy throughout the day. Benefit number 3. Benefit number 3, nutrient powerhouse. Pinto beans are not just about protein and fiber. They're also a treasure trove of essential nutrients. They are a fantastic source of folate, a B vitamin crucial for DNA synthesis and cell repair. Folate is especially important for pregnant women as it supports the healthy development of the baby's neural tube. Folate, crucial for cell repair. But that's not all. Pinto beans are also rich in iron, magnesium, and potassium. Iron is vital for transporting oxygen in the blood, magnesium supports muscle and nerve function, and potassium helps maintain a healthy blood pressure. So, by adding pinto beans to your diet, you're giving your body a well-rounded dose of essential nutrients. Benefit number 4. Now, let's talk about benefit number 4, heart health hero. Pinto beans have been linked to a reduced risk of heart disease, and here's why. First, their high fiber content helps lower cholesterol levels. By binding to cholesterol and escorting it out of the body, pinto beans contribute to a healthier cardiovascular system. Heart health, lowering cholesterol. But it doesn't stop there. Pinto beans are also rich in antioxidants, which combat oxidative stress and inflammation, both of which are factors contributing to heart disease. Including pinto beans in your diet is like giving your heart a little extra love and protection. Benefit number 5. Voiceover. And finally, benefit number 5, weight management wonder. If you're looking to shed a few pounds or maintain a healthy weight, pinto beans can be your secret weapon. Thanks to their combination of protein and fiber, pinto beans provide a sense of fullness and satisfaction, making it easier to control your appetite. Weight management. Feel fuller, longer. And here's an interesting tidbit. The resistant starch found in pinto beans acts as a prebiotic, promoting the growth of beneficial bacteria in your gut. A healthy gut microbiome has been linked to improved metabolism and weight management. So, next time you're planning a meal, consider including pinto beans for a tasty and weight-friendly option. Well, there you have it, 5 incredible health benefits of pinto beans. From their protein-packed goodness to their heart-loving properties, these little legumes deserve a spot on your plate. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button for more health and nutrition content. Until next time, stay healthy and happy.